Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use AWS Lightsail. Lightsail is a powerful, yet simple, cloud platform designed for developers and small businesses. It offers virtual private servers, managed databases, and content delivery networks, all with a straightforward interface. You can launch a server in just a few minutes, choosing from various operating systems or pre-configured application blueprints. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to launch your first Lightsail instance. Begin by selecting a blueprint. You can choose from popular applications like WordPress or a clean operating system such as Ubuntu or Amazon Linux. Next, pick a plan that matches your resource requirements, with options starting from $5 per month for 1 GB of RAM and 40 GB of SSD storage. Finally, give your instance a name and click Create. It will be ready in under 2 minutes. With the external fasteners removed, it's time to separate the motor's main casing. Use a non-marring pry tool, like a plastic wedge, to gently work the two halves apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing or internal components. As the halves separate, be very mindful of any internal wiring, brushes, or other delicate parts that might be connected. Take a moment to observe and mentally note, or even photograph, the precise orientation of everything for smooth reassembly. Managing your Lightsail resources effectively is straightforward. You can monitor key metrics such as CPU utilization and network traffic directly from the console. For data protection, create snapshots of your instances and disks, which serve as backups for quick recovery. When your application grows, utilize load balancers to distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances, ensuring high availability and improved performance for your users.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.